Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and we are on day 15 of Lynn's 25-day Advent box from SoftSquares. And I'm trying to figure out, it's like, do you realize Christmas is 10 days away? I still have some gifts I need to wrap and get under the tree. And it's like, I'm never behind like that. So this is really just pushing me. So we'll see. So we are on day 15. I am anxious to open up and see what Lynn has thought of for us this time. So let's jump right in and see what she's got going. So here is. doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh my gosh. It is an Annie's Quilting Forever Fabulous Fat Quarter Quilts. 9 great designs. So, I tend to be a big fan of Villa Rosa Designs. I always have a lot of Villa Rosa Designs, which she gifted us a few of those in day one. I tend to be a Fabric Cafe fan because I love Fran and Donna, and I think they do some amazing things. She gifted us a one pattern, I think, from them, and it wasn't a pattern; it was on the binding. But this is really cool. I have not seen this book out yet. I'm sure it's been out there. I just haven't seen it because, Lord knows you can't keep up with all of them. But I always love getting patterns, and I love especially getting my books like this because I love traveling with these. I love sticking those in my briefcase and that. So I just have things to look at. So this is Forever Fabulous Fat Quarter Quilts. And she has gifted us plenty of fat quarters. And I've continued to collect fat quarters. So I think that's cool. And look at some of the unique patterns on the back of this book. So I am pretty psyched. I always enjoy getting patterns. I tend to be a big collector of them. I now have a 4-drawer filing cabinet that is full of those. But I will tell you, one of the things that I have been working on is I do try to see when I get patterns like this, if I if the pattern really resonates with me, then I look to see, well, can I convert that pattern over to my AccuQuilt? Because I really am trying to get away from all the hand cutting, and I so much enjoy using the AccuQuilt when it will allow me. So, Lynn, again, day 15, girlfriend, you continue to knock it out of the park. I have been so super happy with my box this year. I appreciate the thoughts that you've put into the package and maybe what your team has contributed as well. I'm sure Mr. Fixit had a hand in it at some point. So, guys, that's me. I appreciate you dropping in today, giving me a little bit of your time and letting me unbox and tell you what my thoughts are around the SoftSquares 25-day Advent box. So, day 15, we continue to grow strong. We have 10 more days to finish out and always anxious to see what's there. She values this book at $10, just FYI. So, a $10 value, and she tends to be right on target with her pricing or maybe a little conservative. So, as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.